Lemon yogurt cake. First, heat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease and line a 10 cm by 22 cm loaf pan, allowing the two long sides to overhang. This helps get the cake out of the pan once it is cooled. Use an electric mixer to beat the butter, sugar, and grated lemon rind in a bowl until pale and creamy. Beat in the eggs one at a time. Stir in half the flour until just combined. Then stir in the yogurt. Stir in the remaining flour, followed by the milk. Spoon the mixture into the prepared pan and smooth the surface. Then bake for 55 minutes. To test if the cake is cooked, insert a skewer into the centre. It should come out clean. Set aside in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool. To make the lemon icing, sift the icing sugar into a small bowl. Stir in the lemon juice. You want just enough to make a runny paste. To make the topping, combine the lemon zest and the caster sugar in a small bowl. Spoon the lemon icing over the top of the cooled cake and spread to the edge. Now sprinkle with the lemon topping. Set aside for the icing to set, then cut into slices. This cake is perfect with a cup of tea.